Hello, beautiful soul. I'm so glad you're here. Come on in. Come on in. In today's adventure to rewire our beautiful, changeable, flexible brains and to give ourselves a little dose of self-care, we are headed around the world to the beautiful Santorini, Greece for a catamaran sunset cruise with a special person by our side, and we are going to swim in the hot springs there, and we're gonna eat a yummy grilled meal aboard, and the highlight of the visualization is watching the beautiful, breathtaking sunset. Won't you join me? Off we go. The marina hums. Ropes creak. And waves slap boats as we step aboard the spacious and sleek catamaran. The crew is so friendly, and they greet us with warm smiles. It's late afternoon, and the soft light paints everything in gold. The white sails, the lounging cushions, and even my own hands as I accept a glass of chilled Assyrtiko wine. It tastes like honey and citrus. It's spicy and sharp and bright. And the boat smells of salt, coconut sunscreen, deep, earthy, volcanic rock, and the sea's ancient breath. The engine rumbles to life beneath me, a purr that travels up through the soles of my bare feet as they press in to the smooth, sun-warmed wooden deck. Ropes unravel, and we begin to slip away from the dock, drifting into the sea untethered. I watch the harbor shrink as we pick up speed. The catamaran leans into the wind, and the sails snap taut, billowing like lungs. A cool breeze begins to build as the boat glides forward, smooth and persistent. It tangles my hair and flaps the hem of my clothing, covering my swimsuit. We make our way to the back of the boat and settle into the the sunbathing nets stretched between the twin holes. The sea below us ripples as the boat moves. Shadowed turquoise. Schools of fish dart beneath us in silver flashes, just feet below me. White buildings nestled in layers against the volcanic rock begin to glow in the shifting light. The wind takes over. Waves hiss against the hull in a rhythmic sound that syncs with my breath. I feel so relaxed here. All my worries left behind. The crew passes bowls of Kalamata olives, their oil glistening in the golden sun. I pop one into my mouth. It tastes like salt, brine, and a punch of rosemary. Me and my travel companion laugh as a spray of seawater mists our wine. Finally, we reach a secluded cove near the volcanic islets where geothermal activity warms the water. I can't wait to get in. The anchor drops with a clank, the chain rumbling as it coils into the deep. And then the captain gives us the go. I stand at the edge in my swimsuit, toes curled over the catamaran's ladder. I look down and below. The Aegean Sea is crystal clear and inviting, with shades of turquoise and deep blue. I leap, air rushing past my ears, and then the pleasantly warm and refreshing slap of the water hits my skin. It swallows me whole. Bubbles rise in a silver curtain around me. I swim up, and then I surface, gasping, salt on my lips. I wipe my eyes. Oh, the water is so silky near the hot springs. The salty mineral tang hangs in the air. Sulfur, ancient and pungent. I turn over and easily float on my back. The water here makes me feel so light and weightless. all the tension in my body softening and melting into the salty sea. I look up at the beautiful sky. It's a dome of peach and periwinkle. A gull passes overhead, crying. I feel so relaxed. The catamaran bobs nearby, casting long shadows. My adventure partner is nearby. Laughter fills the air as guests splash around. I feel a mix of exhilaration and serenity, surrounded by Santorini's dramatic cliffs and the vast sea. Back on board, a clean, fluffy towel waits. It's thick and sun-warmed and faintly smells of fresh lavender as I dry myself off. My skin tingles in the best way, like I just got a massage. And my hair is stiff with salt. There's a smell of barbecue in the air. I breathe deep. My shoulders totally relaxed, totally at ease. The crew has laid out a feast. Charred octopus, smoky and tender, dressed in lemon and olive oil. Tzatziki with crusty bread, creamy feta crumbled over sun-warmed tomatoes, and ripe olives that burst with a briny sweetness, along with prawns kissed by charcoal. I eat slowly with my fingers, licking olive oil from my thumb and letting the flavors bloom on my tongue. Everything tastes divine. I relax back in my chair as a live guitar softly strums in the background. Notes drifting like dandelion fluff on the breeze. The waves gently lap at the hull. The sound is so soothing, and my whole body eases to match it. After dinner, the sea breeze turns cool as the sun exhales and begins its descent. The captain turns the boat west, and we head to the back of the boat where soft, cushioned seats wrap around its edge, waiting. We wrap ourselves in wool blankets and sink into the cozy cushions. The fabric is heavy and so comforting, and it holds the warmth of the day in its fibers. My companion sits close, a steady presence by my side. The engine's hum fades, and time blurs and stretches as we watch the sky ignite into a beautiful, breathtaking fire of molten gold, rose, violet, and tangerine. The sea mirrors it, each ripple catching a different hue. The world softens, and a hush falls over the boat. My breath slows to match the soft, gentle rhythm of the water. Awe and wonder settle into my chest, and gratitude wells up, overflowing, swelling my heart. I'm so grateful for the softness of this moment, for this incredible sunset, for the presence by my side, for my health and well-being, and getting to be here and witness this incredible living painting unfolding before me. I drop deeply into the present moment. The sound of the water, the creak of the mast, and the sighing of the sails blending into a soothing lullaby. I watch as the sails turn pink and then mauve. Villages glow atop the cliffs, brushed in amber, their shadows stretching long and gentle across the landscape. The cool breeze carries the scent of bougainvillea flowers drifting down from the hills. Their sweet smell makes me smile. Lanterns flicker from the terraces above like tiny fireflies. A fishing boat drifts in the distance, its lights bobbing. And somewhere, faintly, a bell tolls once, low and slow, marking the last edge of sun disappearing into the horizon. We drift into the sunset, and the guitar fades. Only the waves speak now, their whispers weaving with the creak of the ropes. Indigo pools in the corners of the sky, and darkness settles in. The first stars break through, faint and patient. The cliffs darken into silhouettes. The village lights twinkle. My body feels totally at ease. The beauty of the sky wraps all around me, soothing my soul. And finally, the engine rumbles back to life again, like a cat's purr. The catamaran begins to turn, and we head back toward the marina. Somewhere behind us, the moon begins to rise, sketching a narrow path across the sea. My body sways with the rhythm of the moving boat and waves, rocking me. It's so calming. At the dock, we step onto steady land, my body humming with the leftover echo of my adventure at sea. The crew hugs us goodbye with warmth. There's a shared connection now after spending the evening with them. I walk away, sandals scuffing the cobblestone, salt crusted on my skin, my hair smelling of wind and earth, and the taste of olives still lingering on my tongue. Somewhere behind me, the catamaran sleeps, dreaming about its next golden hour. Welcome back, dear friend. Our little adventure has come to an end. Take a deep breath in with me, and when you're ready, release. And thank yourself for showing up and taking time to care for yourself. I love you, friend, and I'm so proud of you. Come back anytime.